Canyon Hobbies in Sandy, Utah. We got a special delivery today. Let's check out what we got. Oh, what do we have sitting here? Oh boy, first delivery, TRX-4 High Trail Edition. K10, we're gonna unbox it. Thanks for joining us at Canyon Hobbies today as we open our first delivery. Chevy TRX-4 High Trail Edition. We're all excited for this because I think it's a pretty smart idea on Traxxas' part. I'll have Brad go into the details of why, but let's start by getting it out. I opened the right side, I didn't have to mess with the remote. Coming back. As you'll notice, it's quite a bit taller than a TRX-4 out of any box I've opened. So as customary with all Traxxas, you'll get some cheesy tools that you'll maybe use this, and that's about it. But we got the red one. Fancy that. It's my favorite, second favorite color. Let's start by getting it open here. One thing you'll notice on this truck is there's no clips. There's no clips. That's pretty fancy. Pretty fancy indeed. All right, Brad, tell us about this truck and why everybody needs to own one.
Well, for one, it comes with a lift kit, like you said. It also comes with an extended wheelbase, like the Gladiator. It has, I'll just pick it up to show you. It has an extended frame right here. There's spacers that extend the wheelbase to about 13.2 inches. Gives it a better approach angle. Sometimes you'll have better clearance because of the lift kit and the bigger tires, the big 22s, which actually feel really good, real grippy. It comes with, it has like all other TRX-4s, the unlockable and lockable bits, the 2-speed transmission, the clipless body mount.
That works like the Blazer. Ooh. Looks like inside.
Looks like a normal.
Inside the body.
Has that fancy roll cage.
Alright.
It's pretty sturdy.
Just like the 21 Bronco, really.
It looks really good.
It looks like you extra frame, which could actually be help it when you're rolling things.
It does look like you can add the Blazer lights, so they don't make like aftermarket ones or just different ones. That just has the same light kit. Other than that, it's just a generic one. Looks like you can also convert it to have body posts.
Beauty.
Looks good.
That looks a little longer there.
Yeah. Looks like these barrels right here, the shafts, are actually a lot longer. Like the Broncos that are cut off from right here and right here, looks like they just use longer ones. There's a little tag just sneaking up through. Here's the spacer. The frame's just a little bit longer to provide for that hole, so they can actually mount it in.
Well, we'll have to put a battery in it next time, show you how it runs, and see if the 2.2s and the lift kit are worth it. I think everybody likes the idea.
My favorite part.
But does it actually help the functionality or make it a little harder on us? So we gotta add some more weight. We'll see. We'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.